What's up, guys? Sam here. Currently selling corn. I made a video about a couple weeks ago. Let's start the sale. I haven't been updated on how harvest is going. Harvest is going very well. We got about 500 acres of corn sold now. This is running right at about 100 and 206 bushel an acre. Between 200 and 6 to low 200s. So it's pretty good corn. We have got this 135 acre farm right here, and we got 64 of it shelled. So we got about 80 acres. We got about 80 acres left, and we will have when we get that done, the rest of our corn is too green to shell. So we'll be ramping up a bean harvest here before long. We'll be ramping up a bean harvest here before too long. We're running between 4.5, 5 mile an hour. So we'll get ready for beans before too long. Probably next week. We'll probably cut beans next week sometime. It's trying to get the cloud. There's a cloud. Rain can't be forced full. There's a cloud hitting across the river from us. So we're trying to get that before it rains. Honest here. And I got pictures back for the August. So yeah, this kind of a short video for y'all. Well, we're not even half done with that corn yet. So well, I'll just put it this way. We like about we had 1,400 acres of corn, and we got 500 of it sold, so we're not half done yet. So yeah. But we gotta stop. We gotta get this field done. You're gonna see about the beans, and we got a few hundred acres of beans to cut, and we got the corn, and the rest of the corn still green yet. So I'm working at this patch over here. I'm gonna go over there and bust all open that side. So yeah, I gotta turn around up here at the end and unload. Right to the other end, we'll catch him. We'll come back on that side and unload on the go down. So yeah, kind of a corn harvest video for y'all. This yield right now is running 219, 22, and my average is 206, and my moisture is running about 17, and now I'm full, so I gotta stop. So yeah, I will talk to y'all later.